Understanding, sit down to eat, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sit down to eat. It's a simple yet common phrase used in daily English conversations. So, let's dive in and understand its meaning and usage. The phrase, sit down to eat, literally means to take a seat before starting a meal. It's a polite way to start eating, especially when in a group setting. This phrase emphasizes the act of sitting as part of a mealtime ritual, indicating that it's time to relax and enjoy the food. In many cultures, sitting down to eat is more than just a physical action. It symbolizes a time of community and connection. This phrase can also imply an invitation to join in a meal and share the experience together. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. Inviting someone. Would you like to sit down to eat with us? 2. Family dinners. Kids, it's time to sit down to eat. 3. In restaurants, we were seated and ready to sit down to eat. The phrase can have variations such as, sit down for a meal, more formal and used in invitations. Take a seat to eat, a less formal variation. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, sit down to eat, and its usage in English. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about culture, traditions, and shared experiences. Happy learning and see you in our next video.